Hi children, this is Siptharani English Unit Program for GZ O-Level children. I am NC Alexander from WATTEGAMA Education Office. Okay, shall we test test 7 today? It is regarding the testing technique is multiple choice questions based on reading. There are 3 answers, but we have to choose the most suitable one. I'd love to do because there are 3 answers. So what about you all children? Okay, it comes under competency 5. Extract necessary information from various types of text. Competency level 5.2. Assess the ability to extract information from various types of simple text. There are 2 types of text, narrative and descriptive. Narrative. A narrative is a sequence of events recounted either in the order in which they happened or in an order chosen to emphasize of the story. For an example, telling a story. Description. Descriptive writing deals with appearances. How things look, sound, feel, taste or smell. Observation and selection are key skills in effective descriptive writing. For an example, saying that something looks like. The whole reading lesson is based on WH questions. Okay children, shall we check our memory a little? The first one, what, means a name, a thing, an action, time. What is your name? Normally we ask. My name is so and so. What is it? It's a snake. What is she doing? She's getting ready to school. What time do you leave home? At 7 o'clock or at 7 a.m. Second one, where? A place. At, in, by, beside. We use the preposition in front. Where do you live or stay? At WATTEGAMA in Central Province. Next, when. Time, you have to add. When you are telling about a particular time, you have to add at in front. Day, on in front. Month, in front. By, before, after, from, to. We'll see an example. On Monday. In January. By end of December. Before the school starts. After my exam. From 7:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. The next one, which. You have to choose, you have to select. Which pen is yours? The red or the blue pen? Who? The person. Always think about a person. Who is your favorite teacher? Whom? That there will be something added in front. To whom, for whom, by whom, with whom, from whom. With whom are you going to Candy? With whom are you going to your friend's place? So you can say with my mom, with my friend, with my father, with my sister. Whose? Belongings. Whose? That's somebody's property. Must use apostrophe. For an example, Kamala's Sunil's. Why? Reason. You had to start with because, as, to, since, not all, one at a time. Why did you get late? Because I got up late. Earlier we saw the WH questions. Now we are going to use some questions using how. How? A way, a method, a mood. Now we'll see some examples. How many? It is countable, number, count nouns. For an example, how many students are there in grade 11, children? So you have to tell me, like normally we count the heads. How many students are there in a class? If there are parallel classes, you can tell how many in A, B, C. If there are D, it's okay. So the number of students in one class. Next one, how much? That means a quantity. Non-count nouns. A price, money. Now normally we say a little. A little. Can I have little coffee? Lot of milk. Rupees. You use the money. Or kilogram. Liters. How much money have you got in your wallet? So now you all can start counting how much money you all have in the wallet. How far? Distance. That means in kilometer. How far is it? That means you have to travel. How long? It is something like time duration. Hours, minutes. How long do you take to eat? People eat for 1 hour, half an hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. How often? Number of times. Frequency. Once, twice, daily, annually, every day. Reference. You have to refer it. Who is referred by they in line 5? So children, you had to refer the line 5, 4 and 3 to find the correct answer. So should check the 5th line. For an example, very often they get he, she, they, their, it. What does it in line 7 refer to? See, earlier it was they. Here the second one it was it. Do the same. So find for it a thing. What does following words refer to? They in the line 3. So you have to go to the above lines. Second line and the first one. Then they are in line 10. Again 10, 9, 8. The word. Now here you have to find the word. In line 10 means the meaning. They might ask for similar synonym or opposite antonym. Similar synonym both are the same. Opposite antonym are the same. Extract or quote the line which says. That means there is a sentence or a word in the passage. You have to quote it. You have to extract. You have to bring that word or the sentence down and within inverted commas you have to write it. Keep in mind 1 mark for each question. Normally we tell that there is only 5 marks for test 7. So each there will be 5 questions. So 1 mark is allocated for it. Questions were in order. First question, first and the second line. Second question, third to the fourth line or the fifth line. So children always think the first question will be in first 2 lines. Second question will be in the second, third, fourth and fifth line. Third will be in the next 3 lines. Okay children? Don't get confused. It's not so difficult. So if you all do the practice in order, so it will be easy for you all. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Only one answer, not more than one. If you are not sure, use a pencil. Before hand over the paper, ink it. Don't be marking for all three answers, you will lose marks. Or if you cut it or chop it, or if the paper is untidy, if the person who is correcting or marking the paper unable to see which is the correct answer, you will lose marks. So we are doing exam to collect marks. We have to take 100 out of 100. It's very easy. Read the passage and answer the questions. It was a beautiful, warm Sunday in August, and Kamala's family had decided to have a picnic. Kamala was helping her mother to get the picnic table ready for their lunch when the two sisters arrived. "Happy birthday, Mother," they said, as they handed over the brightly colored birthday present. Kamala had totally forgotten that it was her mother's 52nd birthday. She quickly decided to find a present that would show her mother how much she loved. She ran upstairs to her bedroom and opened the till. There were no coins, had only a 100-rupee note. She picked it and ran to the gift store next to shopping complex. As she looked at the pretty cups and other household items, she realized that her 100 rupees wouldn't be enough to buy what she wanted. Suddenly, she saw a pretty red flower. It was just the price, 99 rupees. She took the flower to the cashier and gave the 100-rupee note. "Is that all the money you have?" asked the cashier. "Yes," she said. "Just enough to buy this present for my mother." "I'm sorry, dear. The gift costs more than what you have, with sales tax. It comes 108 rupees. Kamala felt tears gathering in her eyes. She didn't understand sales tax, but all she understood was that she wouldn't be able to give that beautiful present to her mother. Underline the most suitable answer. There are three answers. You have to underline for the most suitable answer. First question, whose birthday falls in August? Answer, Kamala's, Kamala's mother's, Kamala's sisters. Second one, what was Kamala doing when her sisters arrived? Preparing picnic table, having lunch, getting ready for the birthday. Third one, how much money she had? Less than 100 rupees, more than 100 rupees, exactly 100 rupees. Fourth one, the gift that Kamala selected was a red flower, a pretty cup, a household item. The last one, the word realize in line 9 means guessed, understood, doubted. As homework, now you all have to do from the IWILL book. There are a lot of reading activities, so please try to do one for a day. It will be very helpful. Please try to read the instruction, then underline the keywords. Read the text once or twice, then read the questions. Then it will be easy for you all to write the answers. From IWILL book, from page number 49 to 74, There are 33 activities. If you all do the activities one by one for a day, it will be very helpful. Have a nice day. See you all very soon.